What's good, team? What's going on? What's going on? I hope you're all having a wonderful time. It's Raphael back again, and in today's video we are going to talk about the trade that we took today. Well, I've shared this one for free in my free Telegram channel. So if you're not inside the free Telegram channel yet, this is cold, man. Even if it's so sunny, it's still cold in here. Woo. Anyways, if you're not inside the Telegram channel yet, make sure to check the link in the description. Join the free Telegram channel. I'm sharing some of my trading ideas in there, and yeah, just stay updated about the whole genius trading community and everything. So yeah, today was beautiful, guys. I waited for the setup on Nasdaq around 1 hour, and then it took me like 12 minutes to make like 70 grand. Was a beautiful trade. 12 minutes in and out was lovely. Yeah, we took a nice profit, and everybody was able to take this one as well. Yeah, I shared this one for free. So yeah, I'm going to go in front of the charts in a second, and then we're going to talk about this trades, why I took the trade, how I was thinking about the movement that I saw in the market and all that stuff. And after that, I'm going to pick the 2 winners for today's giveaway. So yeah, if you drop comments under my YouTube videos, under my last my last 2 videos, yeah, then you're able to win the Genius Trading Masterclass course today. The Masterclass course, guys. This is where everything is inside, all the strategies and everything, all the trade management systems, entry and exit systems, and all that good stuff that you need to become a consistent trader and make consistent gains in the markets. And on top of that, of course, the lifetime membership inside the inner circle of our team with all the students inside the group chat and all that good stuff. So yeah, this is what we do today. We're going to talk about today's trading day, and then I'm going to pick 2 winners, two lucky winners. And yeah, thank you for all your support so far, guys. You really helped me to support this YouTube channel, to increase the reach, and to help more and more people out there to become finally consistently profitable traders, because this is my mission. I want to help as much traders out there that I can. And yeah, thank you for all your support. I'm willing to give back. So some of you are not fortunate enough, they cannot afford the course, so I know that, so that's why I'm doing all these giveaways, to help traders out there to get on top of their game and join our community. So yeah, that's it. That being said, guys, let's get into the charts. Alright, team, let's get straight into it. Well, I gave you a little bit of time. It's already late in here, so I finished my day. I went after I was in the pool to make the introduction. I was actually out meeting up with some friends, eating a burger, playing some basketball and stuff until the sun was going down. And you know, I'm back home, and I'm going to talk about the trade that I took today, that I shared with everybody in the free channel. And yeah, let's talk about the trade, guys. So what do we see in here on Nasdaq? And we're going to talk about the trade first, and after that I'm going to pick the 2 giveaway winners for today, okay? So what we have in here, guys, well, this is today's trading. From here to here we have today's trading, and this is yesterday's trading range. All that you can see on the left side is yesterday's trading range. Can you see that? So yesterday we've slashed through a couple of highs in here, as you can see. Slashed through a couple of highs, and then we came into this interesting zone. We already talked about that, and then we had a nice reaction here. I took that buy to get back up. I thought we're gonna see a bigger push to the upside, so that's why I was buying in here. Then later on, it looked like it wanted to sell. I gave the signal to my students so that they can sell, but I had enough for today. So yeah, market was coming down, and I mean, it was coming down beautifully. As you can see, we've created so many highs where probably stops are sitting, and I was so sure that they are going to get 100. I mean, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lows in a row where a lot of liquidity is sitting. I was super sure that we just need to wait for a nice sign of a reversal to the upside,
as soon as the New York session started. Well, so New York session started at around 8:30 in here. This was the beginning of the New York session. They bring the price, as you can see on this candle. I'm going to delete this. As you can see, they bring the price down. Let's check it on a on a smaller time frame. It's more interesting. So market opened up, slash down, so they bring some sellers into the market, then they stopped them, most of them out in here, and they tricked buyers into the market. And then I waited for the algorithms to kick in at around 9:30. It's or always like 1 hour later, and then the algorithm starts to kick in, stock market opens, and then it's going crazy. And this is when the magic happened. As you can see, we created this low in here, pulled some early buyers into the market in here at the beginning of New York session. So a lot of breakout artists, they jump in here, put their stops below here, and all these buyers, if they get stopped out, they become sellers, right? And if they overall want to bring the price up, they need to create a lot of selling pressure so they can get their big money into the market. I'm talking about the liquidity providers, right? So they created the selling pressure in here, and then I was really checking even the 15-second chart. Oh, I've moved this one over here. Whoop. Then I was checking really the 15-second chart as well. I wanted to see how the market is reacting around this area in here. And when I saw that the market is slashing down, came up strong, slashing down again, came up strong again, this in here, this was the signal that I have to buy this thing. I think I got in somewhere in here when I saw that we broke the structure on a smaller time. I mean, this is one of the smallest time frames that we can check in here, you see. But I was stepping into the game, giving the signal somewhere around in this area in here. I got in somewhere in here on my FTMO challenge account. This is something I want to show you as well, guys. So I got in here with the buy. My first target was somewhere here in this area just before this high. But initially I was pretty sure that we're going to slash at least through all of these three, somewhere in here at around the big figure number 14,100. This was my main target, but I was happy with the first target hit around a 1 to 3 risk reward ratio, somewhere in here. 1 to 3 risk reward ratio. This was where I was happy with the profit, and I didn't let it run further. I mean, I could have hold it onto this one, but it could have easily dropped down because we overall in the big downward structure, and the market was coming down pretty crazy the last day, so I was not too interested in holding this thing for a longer time. And a 1 to 3 risk reward ratio is more than enough for me. I just need that, like 1 to 2, 1 to 3 risk reward ratio, 50 to 70% hit rate. That's all we need to make money. So I don't need to try to look out for that super huge run all the time, as I'm getting out pretty quick and pretty consistently with a good hit rate. So that's all I needed, guys. This trade took me like 12 minutes and I was watching it for around 1 hour. So I got in front of the chart at around 8:30 New York time, took my trade at around 9:34 or something like that, and I closed it all out at 9:46, I think. Then this was when I took everything off the table. And yeah, anyways, I was trading on the FTMO account as well. I just finished the challenge today, so just as I told you, I'm going to finish it probably tomorrow. So today I just passed it with 6 trading days overall. I didn't have a losing trade, guys. I mean, check this out. Start with 270, 630, 420, 500, 360, 320, and yeah, hit rate of 65%, and the average risk reward is 1.72. But only because I yesterday I got tricked into a pretty stupid trade, and the market had made a big slippage, so I lost like 2 trades in a row. And yeah, I risked like 1%. I risked 0.5%, but it didn't stop me out at 0.5% because it was moving too quick. Anyways, overall, I'm happy with this profit, and I'm going to put all these trades, every trade that I took on this account, I'm going to put all of this inside the masterclass section on the bottom, guys. In the masterclass, this is everything you need to get on top, guys. I have all my strategies in there, and you can see me trading trades live, managing trades live. And yeah, I'm going to put chapter 18 in the course soon, where I'm showing you all the trades that I took to pass the 25,000 FTMO challenge. And then the next step will be the evaluation, which will be pretty easy. I mean, I have twice as much time and just need half of it, so yeah, this will be lovely. And just so you know, guys, time is running out. 7 days left, 7 days, 3 hours, and price might change this time. So if you're serious about becoming a consistently profitable trader, then use the actual discount on the course and yeah, learn all that good stuff, guys. I mean, you have everything inside. Even if you have no idea, we're going to take you from the beginner level to the professional level, and you get it all in one package, plus lifetime membership inside the inner circle, where you can connect to all the traders from our team as well. So this is definitely something that you need to check out, guys. I don't know how many chapters the masterclass has, but it has everything you need to become a funded trader and yeah, to be a profitable trader that makes a lot of money in the markets. And yeah, so all right, guys, that being said, this is what you can win today. As I told you, I'm going to pick 2 winners. So for all of you who dropped comments under these 2 YouTube videos, this is the first one, this is the second one. They had the chance to win the masterclass plus lifetime membership inside the inner circle, or if they already inside, they get the $10,000 FTMO challenge, where they can prove that they can trade, and then they get funded with a $10,000 account. So this is what you can win today. So let's pick the first winner from this video. Let's put it inside, filter duplicate users. So yeah, if you're dropping comments, guys, 1 comment is more than enough. I'm happy for all the support that you gave me, guys. You helped the channel grow, and it's just amazing. I love it, and I love you guys. So time to give something back. Who is the winner, guys? Abu Bakr Abdulaziz. Awesome trade, man. Let's go. Abu Bakr Abdulaziz, my friend. You need to drop me a private message in Telegram. You'll find the link down below. Make sure to send me a screen record. Search for this comment. I want to see how you edit the comment on the screen record and save it. And then yeah, just send it to me to prove that it is you, and then I'm going to put you inside if you're not inside yet, and get you inside the inner circle as well, buddy. Let's get it. Welcome to the team, my man. So let's pick the second one. All right, how many unique commenters we have? 504 unique commenters. Wow. Who is the lucky winner? Raf does the most for the community. Bless up, bro. Ryan, my man, thank you for your words. Appreciate that. For you, the same thing. Make sure to make a screen record where you show me that you can edit exactly this comment, so I'm sure that it's you and not somebody else, because I have a lot of people who are trying to scam me. There are a lot of people who are using my content on Instagram and sending messages to each and every new follower that I gain and try to rip them off with bitcoins, guys. It's so sad, man. I mean, why they do this to me, and why they do this to the people, why they try to rip them off with this stupid bitcoin flipping ideas. I mean, if you're stupid enough to fall for that shit, I mean, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry, but then yeah, what to do, man? Don't fall for that shit. If somebody tells you he can flip your $100 into 5,000 in the next 3 days, please, guys, just Whatever in life, just don't do it, okay? If it's too good to be true, just don't do it, okay? If there's no work involved, guys, just don't do it. They probably just gonna run away with your money and never answer back, and maybe they're gonna block you as well and ignore you. So be careful, please, guys, be careful. And if you want to learn from the best, the only way to reach out to me is in Telegram, okay? So you'll find the link down below, and in YouTube comment section you will see a lot of replies from guys who want to get you in WhatsApp, pretending to be me with my picture and stuff, and it's not me, guys. I only have Telegram, okay? And I have only one Instagram account, and I'm not gonna send you any messages if you have to contact me first, okay? That's it. Thank you for watching. Be careful out there. A lot of stupid idiots out there who just want to fuck you up, so be careful, guys. Get the skill set down, learn it, put work in it. It will be worth it if you really put the time and effort in it, and if you're able to master this psychology part, if you can trade against your human behavior patterns, if you learn that, then everything is possible, guys. It's the best job in the world, I'm telling you. That being said, guys, enjoy your evening. Thank you for watching, and I wish you a great day. Peace.
Every time I